Welcome to a beautiful spring day in Edinburgh. In this video, we're taking you on a walking tour through some of the city's most stunning cherry blossom spots, all within walking distance from the city centre. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support the channel. It helps a lot and means we can bring you more scenic walks like this one. Let's begin. Our walk starts on Princes Street, one of Edinburgh's most iconic roads. With the castle towering above and cherry trees lining the path, this stretch becomes truly magical in spring. The soft pink blossoms contrast perfectly with the city's historic architecture. Just across the road is Princes Street Gardens, a peaceful haven right in the heart of the city. As you walk through, you'll see the trees in full bloom, their petals gently falling like snow. It's a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike to take photos, relax, or just soak in the beauty. The cherry blossoms are in full bloom, painting the city with delicate shades of pink and white, each flower like a little brushstroke of spring's magic. Let's take a moment to enjoy the enchanting cherry blossoms along Princes Street, where the delicate pink petals create a stunning contrast against the historic backdrop of Edinburgh Castle. Edinburgh Castle looks even more beautiful at this time of year, standing proud above a sea of blossoms. It's a view you won't forget. The soft pink petals contrast perfectly with the city's historic architecture. Princes Street is full of colour in spring, not just cherry blossoms, but also tulips, daffodils, and magnolias brighten the gardens, making it a perfect spot for photos. A short stroll from here brings us to Waverley Cafe, a quaint wee shop nestled near the train station. It's a lovely spot to grab a coffee and take in the view of the city while enjoying the blossoms near the beautiful red cafe.
That is superstition.
The wee red cafe looks especially beautiful under the cherry blossoms, creating a perfect spot to pause and enjoy the view. Next, we make our way towards St Andrew's Square. The cherry trees here create a soft canopy over the green space, adding a gentle touch of colour to this central square. Close by, you'll find Register Place, currently under renovation. This area is being transformed, but even so, the blossoms manage to brighten up the construction zone and hint at what's to come. From here, we head down to the Canongate Kirk, just off the Royal Mile. The historic churchyard is lined with cherry trees that bring a unique contrast to the solemn beauty of the site. The blend of old stone and soft pink petals creates a truly peaceful moment. For a moment, you'll forget the rest of the world. Finally, we arrive at the Meadows, one of Edinburgh's most beloved green spaces. In spring, it turns into an absolute blossom paradise. Rows upon rows of cherry trees stretch out like a pink tunnel. It's no wonder this place is so popular. If you're visiting on a weekend or public holiday, expect it to be much busier. Locals come out with picnic blankets, street performers liven up the paths, and the whole park feels like a festival. But even on a quiet weekday, it's a perfect spot to pause and appreciate nature in the city. As we come to the end of this walk, we hope you've enjoyed the sights and sounds of spring in Edinburgh. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more peaceful city walks and seasonal beauty. Thanks for walking with us. See you in the next one.